Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, hi, my name is Gerel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a look using the Pat McGrath. This is the Mothership 2. Just in case you missed me trying the Mothership 1, I will link it somewhere down below, but that was definitely new to me. I never had opened it. I think that I've actually used this palette right here just a little bit. Like I do see here some touching and swatching and a little bit of powder everywhere. So I might have just used this shade right here, but once again, it's just something that I want to try on my channel and just create looks using all of my Pat McGrath since I completed my collection sometime last year. Let's go ahead and get into the video, but before we do, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and without further ado, let's get on to the video. So I went ahead and primed my eyes using my P. Louise base. Let's go ahead and just create a little bit of depth on the crease, and I am going to use this shade right here. I am just going to add this color in the outer corner and just blend it into the crease halfway. I'm going to use this bronzy shade right here and just going to add it to that darker shade that we just used, just to add a little bit more warmth. I know this one does have a little bit of shimmer, but that's okay. So once again, I'm just mixing these two shades, and I love the little combination that is giving us. Love it. All right, I'm going to take this rosy shade right here. I'm going to just add it to the outer part of the lid. And now using this shade right here, I'm just going to add it to the rest of the lid. So just taking a blending brush, I'm just going to blend the edges on those two. So just going back with the first brush in the dark shade, I'm just going to add a little bit of that and smoke it out on our lower lashes. So I'm going to take this shade right here and just add it to the inner corner and just blending it towards the pink shade right in between these two shades right here. Going to add a little bit of this pinky gold shade to the inner corner. I'm going to tie line using a brown liner. Great, I'm going to curl my lashes and add mascara. So here is the eyes. I'm going to skip on lashes. So I just went ahead and just added a little bit of mascara, but here are the eyes. Super quick tutorial for you guys, just in case you have this palette and you actually want to use it and you want to create something like nice and soft and pink. Definitely this is the way to go. I think it looks so beautiful and sophisticated and so nice, and I really like this look. Let me know in the comment section down below what do you guys think about this quick eye look with the Mothership 2. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see more, because I can totally give you guys more, especially if it's going to be like super nice and sweet like this. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. If you have any questions in regards of this makeup that I am wearing, I will link it down below in the description area. But that's it, my friends. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.